Yes, look at the little chickens. Yes. They ready for their food.
Yeah.
Feed me, mommy.
Dinner time. Birds?
She wash them sometimes.
I don't know. I'm just asking.
I mean, if they like butts get really gross.
It was just whatever question just popped in my mind. Like, we gotta get the birds a bath.
They are so cute. Hey, y'all. We in the garden harvesting string beans. It's so many. I done collected 3-gallon bags. This is what we collected this morning. Looking for a few things for dinner. And we have cucumbers. They're here. Look, look, look. Growing, growing, growing. We picked some cucumbers. And this is the string bean trellis. And here's the other cucumber plant. And we get ready to harvest our first cucumber off of this plant. Yep. And there go a couple ones more growing, but that's a big one. Get this worm off of here, shit. Look, show it. Found a worm. Give it to the chicken. And we have okra coming in. And we harvest the okra young, so it won't be hard and woody. But the pods are starting. There go okra flower. And this was the little pepper plant we stuck in the middle. But the beds are completely full now. The corn has tasseled. The deer came and ate 2 of my tomatoes last night. Between last night and today. That's the celery stalks. Ready to get those harvested. And we have peppers coming. Right there. This is snacking peppers. Not sure what they're supposed to look like, but they are developing. Bam. Bam. We have, what's this? Mini bell peppers. Bam. Bunch of flowers. It just set. Bunch of fruit is coming. Sorry, y'all. I'm not professional with this phone, but this is what they look like. Peppers. Bell peppers. Somewhere else we had a pepper. Let me see. They all have flowers. So here goes some developing. That was pollinated well. We have a couple back there. And the flowers on the bell peppers be white. We have a few poblanos starting to develop. Let me see. Right there, poblano. Here's another one. Right there. And the habanero is going to take a minute. They get really hot. Them and the ghost peppers. They are the late peppers that bloom in the summer. But they loaded with flowers, so who knows? Maybe we'll get a few soon. This pumpkin puts off flowers like every day. This is amazing. Look at them. There's a little bug inside. That is so cute. But I'm guessing these are all male flowers because I'm sure you will see something that looked like a pumpkin connected to one of the ends. I'm still trying to figure this out, so bear with me, everyone. And we have our first moon and stars flowers coming. They are small but pretty. These are the male flowers that develop first. We have some flowers developing and the sugar babies, and we have a sugar baby, officially one, coming. And cantaloupe is doing something. It's connecting to the cage, and that's what I was trying to do, just trellis them all up around the cage. This is lemon balm. Cucumber, that's the little muncher. We harvest two today. And right here we have plenty of tomatoes. That's that ugly one we seen. Look at it. Ew. I was gonna cut it. I'm not. It looks so weird. I like it. So weird. Like cat face. And those are the Black Beauty something tomatoes. Not sure. I had to show the first development of the sunflower. So you can see the head is being formed. That'll bloom open and you'll see sunflowers. So we got a couple of them, maybe like 6 ready to go. That looks like this. And it's in the middle of the corn, and the corn is tasseling. So I had to show you guys this. Tasseling. And this is what pollinates the corn and develop the ears. I'm going to be treating this the same way I did my strawberries. I'm going to be covering them with the mesh bags. I have larger bags like that. Here's one. Give her say hello and peeky boo. And you can see tassels come. And the pollen comes from there. So this corn is ready to start developing ears. This is the okra flower. So pretty. They all developing flowers. And these are my petunias I grew from seed. Look at all the pretty colors. I got these seeds for $4 in the dollar store. And I just started them from seed. And this is what it got. We got. I don't know the name of this plant. I planted it last winter. But I know in the fall it'll come to flower. And I left it in the ground, and this is what it looks like now. Someone can put in the comment what kind of plant this is. I don't know. And the deer came and got us this morning. I had it growing. They were growing on this vine. It was a backup. Ate my other leaves on my Roma tomato plant. Just scandalous. Ate a leaf off of the sunflower. Daggone it. Got my nerves upset and came out here and hurt my babies.